welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we will be looking at forex trading strategy for beginners. It's going to be a very simple strategy. All you just need to do is just to follow every step I will be highlighting right there, so that you will know how to go gradually until you are able to develop more confidence within the market. Okay, this is very important. Okay, your confidence matters a lot, because if you are not having strong belief in what you are doing, then definitely you get scared in the market, most especially once you start seeing reds. Seeing reds at the beginning of the charts, at the beginning of your trade, does not mean that it's going to end up in red. Okay, it might end up in blue, so far you are able to cross all your T's and dot all your I's. Okay, that is very important. That is one major thing I want you to understand. Okay, but before we go fully into all these, okay, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course guys, make sure you always practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, like I said, we will be looking at forex trading strategies for beginners. Okay, as a beginner, you are the first thing that always comes to your mind is the idea that you are ready to make money. Okay, in most cases we only see the figures that others, the pros, the gurus are making. Okay, and that is what pushes us into the market, and we too want to make the same amount of money they are making right from the beginning. Okay, deleting the fact that these people are professionals, they've been in the system for long. There are times where where they were also newbies like us, so they also passed through the learning curves. They lost some of their money, and of course they have gotten to a level whereby they now have more confidence in the market. They know the direction of the market, even when it seems that everything is going against our trade at some time. They know that it will definitely go back in profit, but we freaked out because we don't want to lose the money, and due to the fact that we don't have any confidence within the market. Okay, and that is why you need to understand everything about the market first and develop the confidence within the market before you go fully into it. And the best way to go about it is to do it gently, okay, to do it gradually. So you don't need to aim for something big. Okay, just aim for something small until you are able to get a very good strategy that works for you. And let me quickly say this: every day we all are learning. Even the pros are also learning on daily basis, so do not be too big to learn from people. Okay, as I am talking to you, I learn new strategy every day. Sometimes I go over the internet to search for strategies, opportunities, how people are doing it in another way. I learn from them, I add it to my own personal experience, then I'll reframe it and come up with something that is unique for myself, that will work for me. Okay, that is the art of learning. You should be able to learn, and you should be able to practice a new strategy. Okay, that is very important. So all these are very important. Apart from all these, then you need to, there are some things, there are some elements that are very important whenever you are trading. Okay, and those elements, you don't push them aside, because they will decide how far you will go whenever you are trading. Okay, so one of the elements is the trend. Okay, you need to understand the trend. When you understand the trend, you will be able to milk the market successfully. There are some people that only make use of the trend to trade. That is why they make use of the trend line. They always draw their trend line. Okay, they draw their trend line to know when to go into the market. You don't just see them jumping into the markets. Once they've gotten the right trend, they can be there for a week, just a single order, but they know where it is going to, and they know how much profit they can make. Okay, they can place a single order for a week, sometimes for like 24 hours it can be negative, but later on to go into positive, into profit, and it will start giving them more profit and more profit. Sometimes it will reduce the profit a bit, later on it will add more to it. It's because they understand the trend of the market and they know how far it will go. So when you understand this, you will be able to milk the market for a very long time. Your support and resistance zone is also very, very important. So once you understand your support and resistance zone, then you will know when to go into the market and when to exit the market, because these two these two terms mark out your entry point and your exit point. Okay, if you are selling, then you should know that you are selling from the resistance zone, and definitely you should exit once you are getting to the support zone. And if you are buying, you should know that you are buying from a support zone, then you should exit when you are getting to the resistance zone. Okay, so this will help you to calculate your TP and your stop loss. Okay, and of course guys, your lot size is also very important. Okay, your lot size is also very important, because your lot size will determine how much profit you are going to be making, how much loss you can you can get, okay, whenever the market is going against you. Then it will also determine if your capital will be able to sustain the negative effect of the market when the market is going against you. Okay, if you use a big lot size that your capital will not be able to control properly, then it is most likely you are taken out of the market already, losing all your capital even before it gets back into your own trend. Okay, that is very, very important. Because you place an order and it is giving you red does not mean that you are trading in the wrong trend, just that it has not gotten to where it will start going in your direction. Okay, you are in the right trend, but there was a pullback. Okay, so you need the pullback to finish then before it will go into your direction. Okay, so that is how it works. So your lot size is what will speak for you at that point. If your lot size is too big for your capital, then definitely you may likely be wiped out of the market before you start realizing profits. Okay, so let's go straight into the chart. Okay guys, for those of you that are newbies, okay, I will be using synthetic indices to do my analysis, and I'm on 500 1 hour time frame. You all know, I believe you all know how to have access to your platform. I believe you all know how to register with your broker, so I won't be doing that all over. All I'm just going to focus on is how you can trade this asset successfully. And of course guys, just the way you have seen it, this has been around here, it had been on an uptrend. You can see it right from here. You can see it right from here, and of course that is it. So it has been going up and up, maintaining this resistance zone, and of course you can see right from there, when it gets to this region, it pull back. Some people will wait for this. Once it gets to this and it didn't break out above it, they start selling, and you can see it pulls back till it got to this region. So if you should notice, it also give us the support line right here. You can see this. Okay, it broke out of the support right there, so it's going to sell for a while. So we are looking at it. If it will pull back from here, if it does not, then the next place for it to pull back is around here. Okay, so that is very, very important. So these are some of the things that you should take note of in order to use to milk the market successfully. Your trend is always important. The general trend for this is on uptrend, but in between it we are having uptrend and downtrend, uptrend and downtrend, uptrend and downtrend, but more of an uptrend on the general level. Okay, so that is it. So, and when it breaks out below it like this, then you should know that it is sell for a while, and all you just need to do is just to use your horizontal line to get to the support zone, okay, to analyze the support zone. So let me try and pick up the horizontal line. So here is another support zone. So if it breaks out below this, then the next support zone is going to be somewhere here. Okay, it's going to be somewhere here. So if it breaks out below this, then it will sell till it gets to this region, and if it breaks out below this again, then definitely you should try to get out the next support zone, which is going to be somewhere here. Okay, so all these are very, very important. You can see the way I'm mapping out all these will guide you in order for you to have successful trading journey. Check out these. I'm not using any indicator at all right here. All I'm just using is just the trend line and the horizontal lines in order for me to know when to go into the market and when to exit the market. This is very easy for us to do. All you just need is constant practice, but this might be something difficult for us to achieve, because if we are not good with technical analysis, we might get it wrong, and that is why sometimes you need something that can give you more confidence within the market. Check out this. Okay, this happened over the night. Yesterday the market was ranging around there for a very long time. Just after that, it spiked up again till this was a resistance zone on its own. So the market was ranging around there. It was actually looking for an opportunity to break out below the support zone, and if it does not break out below the support zone, it's not going to be to sell. Okay, and if it breaks out above the support zone, then definitely above the resistance zone, then definitely it's going to buy for a while. That was what led to all these spikes that happened. Okay, that was what led to all these spikes that happened. So this should be the resistance zone right here, but when it broke out above it, it started spiking up, and it spiked up till it got to this region. Okay, right from there it was unable to move on. Okay, I spotted this before I went to bed, and of course when I noticed this, I knew that okay, if it's not going to break out from there, then it should be selling. So if you had come in somewhere here, you can see this is how it would have sold till it got to this region, pull back, and still went down again and down and down. You can see that is how you could have made a lot of profit with this particular opportunity. So it is a unique opportunity. Using these trading tools, this trading indicator will help you to know when to go into the market, to help you to know the exact trend of the market. Right here, the market was on downtrend around here. You can see the market was on downtrend, and of course with the downtrend, all you just need to do is just to follow the red arrow, which signifies a sell signal. Okay, you can see it right here. So once you see a red arrow coming from a resistance zone, here is a resistance zone, the red arrow pops out, then you can come in and sell. Okay, you can come in and sell. Here is another one, you can place another order here and still sell. Here is another one, you can place another order here and still sell. Right here, it has gotten to a support zone, and you can see the blue arrow popping out, so you can wait for it to pull back, to finish up with the pullback before you go in again. So right here you can come in and sell. Right here you can come in and sell, and you can keep on selling till you get to this region. Okay, you can see right here. Okay, let me use this as an example. Okay, let's say you decide to come in around there to sell, and you sold till it got to this region. It spiked up and spiked up till it got here, and of course it didn't bring out the blue arrow, and definitely it has reduced your profit a bit, and it came up with another sell order right here. So you just need to place another order right here. Remember, the first one is still going on, and it's still in profit, so you just place another order right there, since you have another sell signal right there. So making two orders, both of them will be going in profits. There are spikes in between. Of course, there will always be pullback. You don't expect it to be going down directly all through. Okay, it has gotten to this region. Okay, it started spiking up, and it gave us a blue arrow. You can close everything right there, and all this will be in profit. And if you do not close it, let's say you didn't close it and you got another sell signal around there, you can place another one right here, making three. making 3. Okay, this is in profit, this is in profit, and this will start going in profits. It got to profit, spiked up, played around there for a while, still sold for a while, and of course it has gotten to this region. Okay, so you can now close the 3 of them in profit. So this is very easy for you to do. All you just need to do is just to make sure you have a setup like this that can help you to identify your trend right from the beginning. It gives you your trading signal, then go in with the signal and sell, or probably buy, depending on the assets you are trading. Okay, so this is how to go about it. For those of you that are just joining us for the first time, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and of course I will be stopping right here. Okay, I'll just make sure you understand every point highlighted in my video and try to practice it in your on your demo account, so that you can perfect it very well before you start trading on your real account. This is very, very important. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.